In this lesson, we are going to build out an image slideshow that automatically cycles through 3 different images. To follow along with this build, be sure to import the Build Along experience into your Ceros account by clicking the Build Along button to the right of this video. As you can see in this experience, we have a pretty simple layout, with some explanation text on the right and a few images on the left we'll use for our slideshow. We're going to set up an on-view action that will automatically cycle through our slideshow folder of images after a few seconds. To get started, let's expand the slideshow folder in our Layers panel and toggle off the visibility for the second and third images in the folder, leaving only the first image visible. Next, with the entire slideshow folder selected, navigate over to the Interact tab on the right. Let's add a new interaction that triggers on view with the Cycle Next action selected. Be sure to select the slideshow folder as the cycle target and change the duration to 3 seconds. This will ensure that our images will cycle from one to the next in 3-second intervals automatically. As you can see in the preview at this point, the 3 images cycle through non-stop, just the way we wanted. However, we can apply some subtle animations to make the images appear a little less abruptly. Since the animation will be the same for all 3 images, you can select them all together and apply the animations at once. In this case, let's apply an on-view fade and animation with the default timing of 0.8 seconds, and let's also add in an on-hide fade-out animation for when an image is hidden, with the default duration as well. Looking at the preview again, you can see these images transition more smoothly than they did before and are still cycling through as expected. Slideshows are a great way to showcase multiple images without adding clutter to your experience. If you would like users to be able to click through these images rather than have them auto-cycle, be sure to take a look at our other Ceros lesson around carousels. If you have any questions or issues with this build, be sure to reach out in the chat widget and we'll be happy to help.